Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just wanted to show you a little bit about the Beautiful Day stamp set, which is this one here. This is in the New Occasions mini catalog with Stampin' Up! And of course it is shown with coloring with that beautiful butterfly and of course that flower. So in the catalog it actually shows it with the new Brusho Crystal color, which is super fun, and I have played with that with these images. But I know that there are other ways to color these butterflies, so I just wanted to show you a little bit with how I colored this butterfly with my watercolor pencils and blender pen. So of course, with stamping that, whenever you're using watercolor, you're going to want to use your archival. So I stamped both the image and the greeting in the basic black archival ink. So let's just set that aside, and here is our butterfly to color. And this one I thought I would do a little different. This one I did in Daffodil Delight, Pumpkin Pie, and Real Red, and then blended them all together. This one I thought I would do in Rich Razzleberry, Pacific Point, and Bermuda Bay. So I'm just going to color in like I normally do, where I sort of smush and smear the color around and then use my blender pen to really get that color to blend together and look more even towards the edges. So there I have my Pacific Point, and now I'm just going to do the inner side in the Bermuda Bay. So there we have our butterfly, and now I'm just going to take my blender pen and just smush and smear that color around. So for the purple, I'm actually just going to stay inside that little center piece of the butterfly. I'm not actually going to blend that in with any of the blues, but then whenever we get to the blues, I'm going to blend those so that they look a little bit more even. So I'm just going to wipe this off. And now we're going to start on the outside and blend. And then I'm going to move towards the inside. Okay, so now I'm going to clean this off just to kind of get the majority of that blue out of it. And then now I'm going to pull the green or the Bermuda Bay out, but then blend right there with that blue. And again, I like to work in a bit of a circular motion just to kind of get the colors to go together really well. Look how beautiful that is. I actually think I really like the purple and the blues much better than this one, but look how stunning that is. I super love it. Let me know in the comments below which one your favorite is. Is it the blues and purples or the reds and oranges and yellows? Love, love, love it. Of course, I'll be posting finished pictures of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and have fun coloring. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.